We know that everyone enjoys listening to music, and that we do so every day. We listen to music everywhere we go, and we make sure that there is music playing in the background in whatever we do, at least for the majority of us. But did you know that by doing all of these things, you can get paid to do them? Yes, you can get paid to listen to music while walking, jogging, or doing anything else for that matter. In today's video, we're going to talk about a strategy where all you have to do is press one button, play your favorite song, go about your day as usual, and get paid at the same time. You literally earn cold hard cash just for listening to your favorite songs. Our method is 100% working, 100% free, and it's available to everyone from all over the world, even in the most remote locations. So this method is for everybody and everyone, and it's also incredibly beginner-friendly since it doesn't involve any technical abilities or prior knowledge. So essentially, the greatest method of all time. You're going to learn how to generate money by doing virtually nothing, which is just wonderful. We'll be dropping some tips and techniques throughout today's method so that you may quadruple your earnings and do more with what you make. Just imagine the life you'll have when you can practically earn on total autopilot by just letting the music play and the money pour in. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First, we have Current.us. And to actually start making money with this app, all you have to do is to listen to music. You can earn rewards while doing absolutely anything, as you can see over here. And you can download this on your mobile phone, whether you are an Android or an iOS user. You can download this straight into your mobile device and literally take it anywhere and everywhere with you. Now let's go through this website really fast. So basically, you can play your favorite music, you can earn more points, and the more you play and you can spend your points on its features or gift cards to your favorite services. You can search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations. You can earn points by playing your favorite music. You can spend your points on favorite brands and just start earning. It's very simple, quick, and direct, which makes this website even better than it already is. Now, some facts here are, how do I earn? So, the more you play and the more you earn, everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in Current and earn in-app points called points. During the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. We're constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for important updates. How do I earn more per play with every tap of the play button? Well, you can earn points with the speed at which you earn. It's actually based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you are consuming. Our most valuable users play frequently and share preferences generously, and we want to reward them for their contributions. Just download the website, create an account, and boom! There's your money coming in like wildfire. So that's basically the rundown of this whole webpage. Now, let's assume that you've already downloaded the app on your mobile device and you've created yourself an account and all the jazz you can. Now, open up music.youtube.com and let's talk about how you can start making money by listening to music. And as you can see right here, there are a ton of songs and you can just literally click play and listen to it right away. But we're going to teach you how you can actually use this method to its fullest potential in terms of earning the most money possible. You can open up a random playlist, and this is mine. This isn't random because I've actually been listening to this playlist for a long time now, because there are already a ton of songs in one. And they're all songs that I love and genuinely enjoy listening to. Basically, having a playlist is great because you already have as many songs as you can possibly choose from and your favorites in one place. You can just play it and the playlist will just play on with all of your chosen songs. So it decreases the hassle of searching for a song and having a press play and choosing another song again, and after a song and another song, so It's actually great because it only takes a while for you to have it all in all. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now let's continue. When you're done completing your playlist, it should end up looking like this. The next thing you want to do is to make sure that your whole playlist is on repeat, which means if YouTube has gone through all of the songs in the playlist already, it will automatically play the entire playlist again, just like the first time. So another save from the hassle because you won't have to keep checking YouTube if it's already repeated or not. So make sure you do that, and with the non-stop playing music means non-stop moving cash, which is exactly what we want. Don't get mixed up though. YouTube will not be paying you a dime because it's actually Current that's gonna be paying you. And basically you're gonna link your Current account to the playlist that you have in your YouTube account. So the Current can track whenever you're playing music from your playlist from YouTube Music, and then they can pay you in return. So make sure that you do that if you don't want to waste any of your precious time. Another strategy you can do is being able to play lengthy songs and of different variety of songs, resulting to longer listening time is actually looking up YouTube videos that play a whole ready-made playlist and those that go for about an hour or so. If you don't have time to create like 10 different playlists of your own, then you can just simply look for a compilation on YouTube and that should be a perfect fit to making the most money. Now this is obviously the easier alternative, but whatever you're gonna choose, it's completely up to you because it's gonna be great and either will work just fine. What's important is that your accounts are linked, and that's something that you have to double, triple, quadruple check just so that you can make sure that your money is coming in and your efforts are not being wasted, so that the money that's rightfully yours you will really receive. So make sure that you try today's method out. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.